In this video, I will discuss how to transfer the data from MySQL to MariaDB using data migration service available in AWS. So already I have created two databases. One is MySQL and one more is MariaDB. So I have created in the US East only region. So now already I have established the connection by making use of the MySQL workbench. So I will try to connect this by using MySQL workbench. So I'll open this MySQL DB. So first thing is like we need to create the schema. So I will create the schema over here and use this schema. So I'll create the table employee over here. So this is having two different fields. One is the employee ID and employee name. So I will try to create this table and I will insert these four records here. So I have these four records will be inserted and select star from the employee. Let us see whether these records are inserted into the database. So these four records are inserted into the database. So after this, what I will do is I will go for data migration service and I will try to create the replication. So let us try to create the replication here. So create the replication instance. This is the first step we need to follow. So here the name is my replication instance. I will give it as my replication instance here. So remaining thing is I will leave it as it is, and here I will select DMS t2.micro. So here I will choose a single AZ. The storage, so here I will give the storage as 10 GB and the remaining things I will keep it as it is. So on advanced settings I will go and I'll choose US East 1A as my region. So create the replication instance. So after this, I will try to create the endpoints. One is for the source and one is for the target. In the source, what I will do is I will try to connect with the MySQL DB. For the target, we are going to choose the MariaDB. So here create the endpoint. So source endpoint, select the DB instance. So here it is MySQL DB instance. So the remaining things I will keep it as it is. So here I will choose provide the access information manually. So what is the password that I had given at the time of the creation of the database? So create the endpoint. So the source endpoint is created now. So create the target endpoint. So the target endpoint is nothing but the MariaDB. So here select the DB instance. So instance identifier is nothing but MariaDB. So automatically the things are generated over here. Provide the access information manually. So we need to give the password over here. So I'll give the password. So create the target endpoint. So the source and the target endpoints are created. So let us check whether the replication as instance has been created. So it is taking some time. So the replication status is changed to available now. So what I am going to do is I will go to the endpoints here. I will check whether the connection is successful or not. So go and test the connection for MariaDB. So run the test. So it is the status is changed to successful. Again select the endpoint MySQL instance here. Go and test the connection. So run the test. So the status is successful. So let us go and create the data migration task. So I will go and create the task over here. So here I will give identifier as my task and replication center replication instance as my replication instance, and after this choose the source endpoint. So this is nothing but mysql, and target endpoint is mariadb. So migrate the existing data. So here I am not going to change anything. So add the selection rule. So I'll select this and I'll choose the schema, enter the schema. So here the source name is company and table name is employee. So after this I will create the task. So the task creation is in progress. You can see that the status has been completed. So I'll open this and I'll try to see the table statistics. So the table load state is completed. So let us try to go to the MySQL workbench and I'll try to see whether I am successfully able to migrate the data. So I'll exit this connection and again I will open this MySQL workbench and I'll try to connect to the MariaDB. So I will give the password. So you can see that the entire schema is being transferred. So in the table, let us see whether the particular employee table is there or not. So I will try to use this schema here and let us try to select this database, select star from employee. So I will try to execute this. So these are the some of the records that are present in the database that were present in the MySQL. They are also present in the MariaDB. So we have successfully transferred the data from MySQL to the MariaDB. So this is what I wanted to discuss in this video. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.